Welcome to Shomach Shov on the Daf, your sponsor, Lunish Basam Yakoshom Lea Basitzchok. We're holding Metzia Daf Ein Base. The Gemara on the top of Udalev speaks about a guy who was Malva Beribis, he did a loan Beribis, which he's allowed to do. And then he became a ger, then he converted. So if Zokfon Bemilfe, he made it as a one big loan that has the principal and the interest before he became a ger, he can be goyvi, he could take the principal and the interest after he became a ger. But if Zokvan Milvi made it into a loan only after he became a ger, so then he can't come and take the ribbis, only the principal, because once he became a ger, he already designated this is a loan, this is a ribbis, he can't do it after he becomes a ger. Now first of all, you see from this Gemara something fascinating. L'choro, how can the ger come and ask for his money? He's ger she's ger kikotash dami, he's a new person. Can the borrower, the Jew, say, well, I'm sorry, the money that you lent me, that wasn't you, that was the guy. You're a Jew, so I don't owe you the money? He cannot say that. So you see that the definition of Gershin is Ger Kikotosh Dami. A Ger who converted is a new person. It's not for everything. It's not for every Nekuda. He's still the same person, but there's some inyanim that considered to be Kikotosh Dami, but not regarding this. There's a thesis in Sanhedrin Daf Ayin Aleph that says clearly that there's a difference between Dinei Odom and Dinei Shamayim. Regarding Dinei Shamayim, Gershon is Gai Kikotosh Dami. He's a new person. But regarding Dinei Odom, he's the same person. And the Poskim is brought down in the Chuvas Beis Yaakov. He brings that this is what was brought down La'alocha, the Sefer Chasidim, in Ois Tafrei Tzadik Aleph says, even though a ger is considered to be a newborn, he needs to pay whatever he owes. And if he killed someone, he will need to have a kapara to rectify what he did. And the Achronim speak about this in length. And there in the Sefer Chasidim, in the Mokar Chesed of Rav Ur Margolios, he brings several poskim that speak about it, the Chidah in many places. But the Chavas Yor in Siman Ein Tes, and also the Yad Shol, who's the Sefer of the Shol Meshiv, and Chelik Beis Siman Reishim Aleph, they both say a similar idea. They say the pshat is like this: when a ger becomes a ger, it's considered to be that he did tshuva. The lashon of Chavas Yor is Biblisha Kabbalas ol Toire uMitzvos mechaber el kol to'avois Hashem asher oso. By becoming a Yid, he rectifies everything else they did before. It's like doing tshuva shlema. We know that tshuva works only in Beis Din Shamala. If a person is chayav kores, for example, and he does tshuva, he can rectify the sin. But a Beis Din Shamata, and Beis Din down here in this world, tshuva doesn't work. And the Shol Meshiv says that makes sense, because if tshuva works, so any person who needs to be killed, he'll say, I did tshuva, and then Beis Din can't kill him. So basically, Shemata, the rule is we don't use tshuva. So if so, say the Chavas Yor, it says the Yad Shol and many others, that's the pshat. That a Gershoni's guy is considered to be Kodesh and Noilad because he has a full kapara, he has a full cleansing when he became a Yid. But that only works in Beis Din Shemala. Beis Din Shemato, it doesn't work that way. That change doesn't make any difference. And therefore, all monetary obligations or rights stay. Because he's not considered to be the Kodon Shenoy Ladami regarding things of Beis Din Shemata. Adds the Chavas Yair that that's only if he did something wrong as a goy. If he did an Aveira as a goy, he did something wrong, so once he becomes a Yid, it's rectified. But if whatever he did as a goy was not an Aveira, was not something wrong, so then when he becomes a Yid, it stays as well. And he proved that from our Sugya in the same Gemara that we just mentioned. Because if the guy, before he became a ger, he was zok from the milva, he made a loan of the principal on the ribbis, so now that he's a ger, he can take it. Hi, that's ribbis, and ribbis is also to him today. Yeah, but it wasn't also to him before he became a ger. So becoming a yid doesn't take away the right for what he had before. So it comes out, Gershon is ger, kikodesh shenel dami, it has to do with going Beis Din Shemalo, it's considered to be cleansed, he's a new person. But regarding Beis Din Shemata, he's still the same person, and he has to clean and rectify everything that he did wrong as a guy, not if he did something which is only wrong as a yid, but not as a guy. Anyone wants to join Shomachshava email list to WhatsApp group, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.